Did you know that bamboo shoots aren't just a tasty delicacy but a powerhouse of nutrition, medicine, and sustainability? Let's explore how these humble sprouts are transforming food, health, and the environment. Bamboo shoots, the tender sprouts of the bamboo plant, have been valued across cultures for their versatility and myriad benefits. They are a staple ingredient in numerous culinary traditions, prized for their subtle flavor and unique texture. Bamboo shoots are also deeply embedded in traditional medicine and have gained popularity in modern wellness trends due to their nutritional profile. Furthermore, their utility extends beyond food, playing a significant role in sustainable living and economic development. In the culinary world, bamboo shoots are a celebrated ingredient in Asian, African, and Latin American cuisines. They are prepared in numerous ways, from steaming and boiling to stir-frying and pickling. Fresh bamboo shoots have a mild, earthy taste, which makes them adaptable to a variety of dishes, ranging from soups and salads to curries and stir-fries. Processed forms, such as canned or fermented bamboo shoots, add convenience and different flavor profiles. Their fibrous texture and ability to absorb flavors make them an excellent addition to both vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes. Bamboo shoots also feature prominently in traditional recipes, such as Japanese miso soup, Chinese stir-fries, and Indian bamboo shoot curries, demonstrating their wide appeal. Nutritionally, bamboo shoots are a powerhouse of health benefits. They are low in calories and fat while being rich in dietary fiber, making them an excellent choice for those managing weight or improving digestive health. Bamboo shoots are also packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B6, potassium, and manganese, which support overall wellness. Additionally, they contain phytochemicals like phenolic acids and antioxidants that may help reduce inflammation and combat oxidative stress. Studies have suggested that bamboo shoots may aid in lowering cholesterol levels and improving heart health. Their versatility and health benefits have led to their inclusion in various modern diets, from keto to vegan, making them a sought-after ingredient for health-conscious individuals. Beyond their culinary and nutritional uses, bamboo shoots hold cultural significance and are widely used in traditional medicine. In Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, bamboo shoots are believed to have cooling properties and are often used to treat ailments like fever, infections, and digestive issues. They are also considered a natural detoxifier, helping to eliminate toxins from the body. Bamboo shoots are used in herbal remedies for respiratory problems, as their compounds may help alleviate symptoms of asthma and bronchitis. Some cultures also utilize bamboo shoots in rituals and festivals, highlighting their importance in spiritual and communal life. The use of bamboo shoots extends to sustainable living and environmental conservation. As a renewable resource, bamboo grows rapidly, often regenerating without the need for replanting. Harvesting bamboo shoots responsibly helps promote sustainable forestry practices. Additionally, leftover bamboo stalks can be utilized for making eco-friendly products such as furniture, paper, and textiles. This dual-purpose use of bamboo not only supports a sustainable lifestyle but also fosters economic opportunities, especially in rural and developing regions. Bamboo shoots provide a source of income for farmers and contribute to local economies, particularly in areas where bamboo is abundant. Lastly, bamboo shoots have become a focal point in global discussions on food security and sustainable agriculture. As climate change poses challenges to traditional farming practices, bamboo's resilience to harsh conditions and rapid growth makes it a promising crop. Bamboo shoots are drought-resistant and require minimal pesticides, making them a viable option for sustainable food production. They also have the potential to alleviate hunger and malnutrition in vulnerable regions due to their nutritional value and adaptability to various climates. Research and development in bamboo cultivation are opening new avenues for its integration into global food systems, underscoring its potential as a critical resource for the future. From culinary delight to a symbol of sustainability, bamboo shoots are a remarkable gift from nature. Their myriad uses reflect their importance across cultures, economies, and ecosystems, showcasing their potential to play a significant role in shaping a more sustainable and health-conscious future. Bamboo shoots, a culinary delight, a natural healer, and a beacon of sustainability. From ancient traditions to modern solutions, their potential is limitless. What's your favorite way to use bamboo shoots?